Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we can propagate a rose plant with the help of aloe vera and potato. Look at this. Potato is very important because it contains important essential nutrients. So it's helpful in the germination of no. We can take up the one piece of rose, which is containing a beautiful flowers. This is a rose piece with important buds which can germinate. Now take this is a potato, one large size potato. Now place on the bucket which is filled with soil which contain important essential nutrients. Now take up the aloe vera gel, piece of aloe vera, insert this piece of rose into it. This gel contains very important essential nutrients which help in the germination of a piece of this. Now insert the piece into the potato along with the soil. Now you can cut the uh, remaining parts of the twig. Also remove the extra leaves because these are old leaves, so they cannot further propagate, they cannot further grow. So now it is ready. This branch of rose contain some buds which are important for the germination. Now I can close with the plastic bottle. After 25 days the buds are start propagation and the leaves are grown. Look at this, there are fresh leaves which are grown. Yeah, there are some weeds, so I can remove these weeds because these are not good for the growth of plant. They can take up mineral water and nutrients from the plant. Now look at this, these are germinating, fresh and new leaves are propagating, leaves are growing. After 40 days I can wait for 40 days. Look at this. Yeah, there are a lot of twigs and look at this, there are few birds which are also grown. Flower birds, this is a flower bird, so I can remove from the bucket with carefully, very carefully. Look at this, this is start germinating. There are rootings which are very important, they are hold the plant and get mineral nutrients and water from the soil. I wash this is an easiest method you can adopt to grow and germinate the seed on the plant. Now I can remove the potato. Carefully, very carefully, because it can also cut the twig. Very carefully I can cut the potato. Now it is ready. This graft, this piece of rose plant is ready for germination. Look at this, there are buds of flower also growing here and there are a lot of leaves and rootings are also germinating. Look at this, it's very important easy method you can grow at home. Now I can dig soil and insert, grow and germinate, grow, sow into the bucket directly without any eat without any water, without any potato. Look at this. This is ready. So I can add water in it, and after a few days, it can show up. Thanks for watching.